Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will briefly discuss threads and show you how to choose fabrics. First, sewing threads are special yarns engineered and designed to pass through a sewing machine quickly. They form efficient stitches without breaking or becoming distorted during the life of the product. The basic function of a thread is to deliver aesthetics or the appreciation of beauty in the stitches and seams. Threads can be purchased from fabric, craft, or other stores. They are inexpensive and come in a wide range of colors. These are Coates threads, but there are others as well. I will include a Coates thread advisor link in the description box for your reference. Fabric creation began in ancient times when they started weaving, then spinning yarn. Woven fabrics, which is cloth formed by weaving, may have originated from basket weaving. Cotton, silk, wool, and flax fibers were used as textile materials, which is cloth, in ancient Egypt and also used in India. The first material used for clothing were the natural fibers obtained from both plants and animal sources, such as silk, wool, leather, cashmere, fur, angora wool, mohair, alpaca, and others. Cotton, linen, or cotton-linen blend fabrics are great for beginner sewists. To understand how to choose fabrics, remove the bolt of fabric and look at the labeling on one end of the bolt, which would include the fabric content, brief description, price, where it was made, care instructions, and item number. Once you've mastered the basics, you can consider using thick fabrics like canvas, which is a heavier cotton-like denim for jeans, silk, or knits, which are super stretchy.